Today we will be creating a soft pink eyeshadow look. I will be using some glitters also. First I'm gonna prime my eyes. Here I am using Elegant Pro Concealer in shade Natural. You can also use the eyeshadow primer if it is available to you. I am spreading the concealer using a flat eyeshadow brush. You can also use a concealer brush. Then I will blend it using this type of sponge. You can also use your finger or the concealer brush. Then I will set the concealer using a loose powder. Here I am using W7 Banana Dream Loose Powder. After that I will take this light brown shade using an eyeshadow brush. I will use it as a transition shade. After that I will take some concealer and apply it on the outer V of my eyes. It will give you a good pigment. I won't be setting this concealer and apply this shade from here. Here I am using a concealer brush and I will kind of dab it on my eyes. After that I will take this color, it's kind of a pink shade, and apply it on the outer V of my eyes. Then I will again take some concealer and apply it in the inner corner of my eyes. After that I will take this shade from the palette and apply it over the concealer. I can't remember the name of this palette. I will be using a pencil brush to spread this. Then I will blend it using a clean brush. Then I will use this shade from the palette to diffuse the edges of this shimmery shade I have used. I guess I'm gonna change the color. For that I will apply concealer again. Before applying the third layer of concealer, I have blended the eyeshadow properly. That's why I haven't used any micellar water. If you don't want to waste your time blending this eyeshadow, you can use micellar water first, then use concealer. Otherwise your eyeshadow will look patchy or cakey a little bit. I will set the concealer using a loose powder. Then I will be using this shade from Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and apply it on this part. I will be simply using my finger for that. You can also use a pencil brush. After that I will blend it using a clean brush. Then I will be taking the same shade again. It's the pink shade I have used lastly. I will apply it on the lower lash line of my eyes. Then I will take this type of glitter to highlight my inner corner. I will also pull it a little bit in. For my eyeliner, I will be using W7 liquid liner. The brush I am using is mainly a painting brush. You can also use an eyeliner brush. I will keep the liner as close to the lash line as possible. I will outline the shape of the wing first. After that I will fill the gaps in between. I will also spread my inner corner a little bit. For my waterline I will be using a black kajal. Here I am using Lakme Iconic Kajal. You can use any black pencil that is available to you. I will also use it on my upper waterline. For highlighting the brow bone and inner corner of my eyes, I will be using a golden highlighter. I have already applied my lashes. Before that I have curled my lashes and applied mascara. And that's it for today.